I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to dispute a transaction on the Discover app, follow these steps to get it resolved quickly. Step 1. Open the Discover app. Launch the Discover app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account to access your transaction history. Step 2. Navigate to Transactions. Once you're in the app, go to the Transactions section. This is usually found in the main menu or on a home screen. Step 3. Select the transaction. Scroll through your recent transactions and find the one you want to dispute. Tap on it to view more details. Step 4. Initiate the dispute. Look for an option that says Dispute Transaction or something similar. Follow the prompts to start the dispute process. You may need to provide a reason for the dispute. Step 5. Submit your dispute. After filling in the necessary information, review your dispute and submit it. You should receive a confirmation message or email once it is processed. Remember, if you accidentally select the wrong transaction, you can go back and choose again. Good luck with your dispute, and I hope you get it resolved quickly.